We need to determine the proper location for the outdoor unit. We covered this in the third video dealing with the installation site instructions for the outdoor unit. We need to follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer when installing a wall hanger. We're going to use a wall hanger manufactured by the RectorSeal people. We need to verify that the wall hanger we're going to use can support the weight of the outdoor unit. We're going to use the RectorSeal WBB 300, which is rated for 300 pounds. The outdoor unit of the Sapphire 9000 BTU system is 99 pounds. So this hanger is the perfect choice. In this example, I want to lift the outdoor unit higher than a typical snow line here in New York State, which could be as much as 3 feet. Once again, follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer of the wall hanger. The RectorSeal WBB 300 is very easy to install. We need to make the mounting legs of the outdoor unit the same dimensional separation as the mounting feet of the outdoor unit. This way, when we lift the outdoor unit onto the bracket, the mounting points of the bracket and the mounting points of the outdoor unit will line up perfectly. Once the correct separation between the mounting legs of the bracket is set, we then need to bolt down the mounting legs to the wall with the lag bolts provided. Lastly, we just need to bolt down the 4 mounting feet of the outdoor unit to the legs of the wall bracket. Now our outdoor unit is mounted securely on the wall 3 feet above the ground. In this application, we're simply going to put the outdoor unit on the ground. We're going to use a mounting pad made by the people of Diversitech. It's their ultralight product, which is an ultralight concrete pad perfect for this application. Whether we're mounting the unit on the wall or on the ground, we need to be sure that the outdoor unit is level. Another option to raise the outdoor unit is to use risers. Essentially, they become 4 individual legs to raise the outdoor unit. And remember, installations in Florida and California require by code that the outdoor unit be bolted to a concrete slab that meets their code specifications. No matter where your installation may be sure you are following local, state, and national codes. The drain fitting for the outdoor unit can only be used when the outdoor unit is being elevated. It cannot be used when the outdoor unit is being placed on a pad. With the oblong rubber stopper in place and the drain fitting installed, 5/8 inch ID tubing can be attached to the fitting and any drainage can be moved away from the outdoor unit. Use of the drain fitting in the outdoor unit is not recommended in climates that experience freezing temperatures.